Alright, gals and guys, it's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and today I seem to be doing a lot of unboxing. I bought a lot of stuff, and I spent money that, I guess it's necessary stuff. So I've been going to the dentist the past 3 weeks, and to have some, not major stuff done, but stuff around my gums that needed to be taken off and filled in and repaired. So what the dentist told me is to the fact that how I was brushing. He said, you're an aggressive brusher. I'm an aggressive guy. I don't know what to tell you. I'm not an aggressive guy. I'm just an aggressive brusher. So he said to pick this up. And so I did. It's Oral-B Pro 5000. So we're going to unbox it, see what's in there, give it a try. And it's supposed to, I don't know. I guess it's supposed to regulate your brushing or something to that effect. This was about $100 plus tax. It was probably about $110. So I don't buy anything. I don't go anywhere. The tablet that I did a review on before this, that was free. So I'm pretty frugal in that manner. So it doesn't really bug me when I go out and spend some money, because I do. The most money I spend is on coffee. And that's a big factor because of my teeth. They're all coffees there. But that can be fixed too. Anyways, I'm not sure what this thing is. Alright, so this is what came out of this box. Alright, you got, well, there's the brush that goes on top of the thingy dingy here. And there's some coupons in some language that it's Spanish. Coupons in Spanish, so I guess that's all right. Jeez, a manual. It's a pretty thick manual for a toothbrush. I got all this styrofoam going on all over the place. So it's in Spanish and American and English. Sorry, not American. Oh, excuse me. And this is a warranty and basic instructions and showing you how to plug it in, and I think I can handle that. Alright, so some type of case. So I'm not really 100% sure what that is. I'm sure this goes in there at some point. Alright, and there's the toothbrush. I'm assuming that goes right on top there. And I'm sure this is the cord. And the base, it looks like. Yes, it's breaking shit. So let's try to get into this thing. Dingy thingy. Oh my lord. Alright. We'll be aggressive. Alright. Oh. Alright, so it's just the base. And alright, this must just be a carrying case then. So here's the base. It's not very basey. I wouldn't put that on there and think it's going to stay there. It's not very sturdy. So anyways, let's get this to this. So, oh my lord, these little twisty ties. Alright. So there's the cord. There's the base. So I'm not seeing any. I don't have to read the instructions. How you would. Is that the right way? No, it has to be this way. How you would charge that. That's weird. But we'll figure that out. And let's get into this little thing. Oh my god. Ugh. Got big hands. So I'm assuming this goes right here. And so I got to charge this in now. And I have to figure out how to charge it. That seems weird. Oh, it's Bluetooth. Oh, it's Bluetooth. All right. That's awfully weird. All right, I'm going to try to charge this baby, and I will... Oh, here we go. What's this? All right, I'm going to try to charge this and I'll be back. Okay, so according to the instructions, in order to Bluetooth it, you have to download the Oral-B app. So let's put in Oral-B. Oops, Oral-B. Oral-B. Alright, there it is. We will install it. Wow, brushing your teeth has changed over the years. I've always used a manual toothbrush. This is all news to me. Alright, and we will open that puppy. Alright, connect your toothbrush with the app Brush Like a Pro. Alright, let's see what happens. Alright, let's allow. Allow only while using app. Alright, connect your toothbrush with the app to Brush Like a Pro. Press the power button, I'm guessing, on the thing. On the thingy-dingy-dingy. Alright, let's do that. Okay, something happened with my audio on this particular video, so I'm just going to kind of narrate through it just to the fact that I did set up the Bluetooth, and I just wanted to see I just wanted to show you the process that we did in doing that, and I threw out some really good jokes that I can't even remember. But anyways, here is the app, and what we have to do is just pair it to the toothbrush. So as you can see, that's what we're doing right now. And there's like a flashy thing that I was trying to show you on there. Just indicates that it's trying to talk to the toothbrush. And then at this point, once you do that, then it's going to have you fill out your information. So your first name, last name, and your email address. And I am doing that right now. All right, so once you put all your information in and send it along, it's going to email you this confirmation code. So you just simply put that into the app, and then it will bring you to, so it'll bring you to this, and then it just says that it's brushing time. It's time to brush the teeth. So that's kind of weird. We'll see what happens with that. I'm going to go jump in the shower, and then we will brush some teeth. That'll be fun. I'll try to get down a little where the camera is here. Alright, we got toothpaste on here. Alright. Let's give it a go. Alright, let's try that again. User error. Alright, so we did that. Ooh, that's kind of funky. You want a metal. Okay, because I brushed for the first time. Yeah, let's go next. Did you have any gum bleeding? Let's see. Not really. I'm going to say no. Okay, amazing job. Keep doing what you're doing. So pressure 0, brush time. Gentle on your teeth and gums, tongue clean, brush from the back to the front. Rinse, swish to kill bad germs. Okay. Alright. And close. Alright, so I'm going to do history. Timer and calculate your average time, your last 3-month data to provide a quick understanding of your brushing. That's kind of weird. Challenges. What's this stuff? Fresh breath. Brush your way to fresh smile. Alright, I'll do 5 days for now. Start Journey. Close. Metals 1. Weird. Weird. So a whole new world of brushing your teeth. Alright. Really riser. Kissable. Kissable. I want to be kissable, baby. Alright, we'll see what happens with that. Maybe I'll do a follow-up video. And then we'll go home. What else is this stuff? Your breath already getting fresher. You have 4 days more to go. Don't quit now. Your brush heads a maximum clean. Alright, let's set this up now. Did you know that the maximum to clean an electric toothbrush you should replace brush heads frequently? Dental professionals recommend replacing it every 3 months. Alright, we'll go next. I believe this is a cross action. Identify the brush head you're using. Can help with timely replacements. Okay, we'll go next. Okay, and we'll confirm. Close. All this just for good teeth. So first impressions is, get that out there. My teeth feel extremely clean. Smooth. You did an excellent job, actually. So, no bleeding gums. And you can take this off, actually. Take this off just here. That toothpaste all over it. Oh, it works really good. I'll be interested to see in a couple of weeks again, though. Look at those choppers. All right, gals and guys. So that's the Oral-B Pro 5000. My teeth felt so good. Actually, it works really good. My teeth really feel clean. You're supposed to go 2 minutes on your teeth normally, so just keep that in mind. And then I do have, you haven't noticed, I do have coffee stains on my teeth, which is kind of disgusting. I got these white pens that I bought, so I'm going to try those out. I might do a review on those. I don't know. It depends. I really should get back to computers, huh? And websites and affiliate marketing. But this all kind of ties together. So anyways, gals and guys, I appreciate your time. I hope you got something out of this. It's a good product. I mean, I'm not being given any money or anything I'm not endorsing anything. I'm just testing. I bought it myself and tested it myself and just giving you an honest critique of it. So I appreciate you very much. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell below. You help the channel still try to grow. And I will promise you next video, I will get back to affiliate marketing and a whole bunch of other good stuff. All right, gals and guys, appreciate you.